Hello, today we are going to talk about how to compile KDE Git repositories for OpenBSD, the latest version 7.1, and we're trying to do this using kdesrc-build. Let's see if that is possible. Okay, so since you can't install KDE Plasma on OpenBSD, KDE Plasma 5 on OpenBSD 7.1, I have installed LXQt. I'm in a virtual machine, KVM Virt QEMU x86-64, and I'm connected using a tight VNC server. Okay, so let's see what we have now. So we have a leave menu, a lock screen, desktop switcher, task bar, tray. So first thing that I need to do is set the correct size for fonts. So should be 9, it's 12 by default. I don't have an auto font yet. Okay, let me put as much hinting as possible. So full auto apply. What else? So this is console. I'm root right now. I'll need to start installing software. The first thing that I want to install, so package info -q, let's install first Qt Creator. So that's creator. So the package is called Qt Creator, pkg_add Qt -creator. What else do we need for sure? I don't know yet. Yeah, we'll need a web browser. So let me start another tab. So minus package info -q Firefox. Package database already locked, so while an installing is in progress, you can't use package info. Don't we have another web browser in the meantime? No. Nope. Let me stop this thing and see if Falcon is available. No. So the KDE web browser does not seem to be available. Let me search in openports.se. Nothing. Then let's install Firefox first. Okay, so it installs a version without debug, no ESR, and the latest, which is 100.0.2. Okay. Let's see that Firefox is now available. Yes, indeed. Have Qt Creator continue installing. Okay, so this is Firefox. I'm trying to have it use just half of the screen. As always, customize. No white space, no white space, no head, toolbars, never show. Done. Settings. How do we find out how many cores we have? So sys ctl hardware CPU and CPU. sysctl hardware.and CPU. So it's really hard to edit command lines, and text user interfaces don't work correctly in this version of console. Has some problems. Okay, so it installed Qt Creator, clang, Qt Web Engine, ffmpeg, Noto fonts, GSM speaker audio codecs, x86 video codec. Okay. Why doesn't the settings button work? Yes. Okay, settings. Yay, it works now. Tab. Blank page is correct. Download. Ask where to save. Okay, let's close console and use another terminal. Qt terminal. Why are the fonts so large? Zoom reset. Font could be 9. There's no Noto monospaced. Okay. So Ctrl-Shift-C and Ctrl-Shift-V. So we have Qt Creator. Now we need to set up a kdesrc on this machine. So that's wiki kd get involved development. Okay. So it says git cmake to package add git cmake dialog. What else? Meld. Curl. Perl 5 modules. Git cmake libuv. Okay. WebKit GTK4. So meld is a difference viewer similar to WinMarch. This is the help viewer. This is the source code editor part or control GTK source view 4. Python 3 modules. Object introspection. Let's see if Ctrl-Shift-T works. Yes, it does. Why are the tabs so huge? Tabs position, but there is no tabs size. Fixed tab width. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't go there. Okay, okay. So shell number 1 is us running as su, as super user, as root. And in here we're going to do the tutorial. So git config username. Okay. What next? These 3 lines as they are. Paste clipboard. Okay. So we're in the directory tilde/kd/src/kdesrc-build. So here is the... Do we get any git GUI? git x11 was that. As such, Control T, OpenBSD package advanced, accept the risk and continue. Git so git x11, where are you? Git G, no. Git K, nothing. What does this package do? Control Shift C, Control V, not found, does not exist. TCL yes, TK yes. Where is the source of this thing? This seems to be it. Let's install it. So on tab 1, package, add, Control Shift V, go. Okay, so git go in here. So it says it's on branch master of the Git repository kdesrc-build, and this is the history of this Git repository. Okay. So the next thing to do, since we're in the correct directory, where kdesrc-build Python script exists, we need to run it. It says that it doesn't understand my operating system. Therefore, my operating system could be Linux/unknown. Packages could not be installed because kdesrc-build does not know your distribution, unknown. It created a default configuration file, so in tilde/.config/kdsrc-buildrc. We'll update our bashrc and we'll recreate our shell. So Control Shift D, echo $path environment variable. So kdesrc-build is at the start of the path. So we can start running. So first let's look at the configuration file. Create, Control Shift, where are you? Copy, Alt, Backspace, Control Shift V, background it. Okay, so the fonts are again huge. What's happening? Where are the other fonts, the monospaced fonts? Okay. I don't know how to do it. I want to set globally the monospaced fonts for the entire desktop. Okay, so let's see how the kdesrc-build is configured. Include dependencies true, default, kd-dir/kd/usr. Default, that's the make install directory. Source directory default, build directory default. This is where cmake does its things. This should be debug. More cores. Stop on failure true, yes. This should be invent. The rest of the defaults look okay. Control S. So we can start building software. So let's build Kate. So it says some mandatory Perl modules are missing and kdesrc-build cannot operate without them. So we need socket SSL. P5 socket SSL this thing. Package add middle click paste, go. And the other thing is something with YAML. Not package add, but package search. So P5 YAML, P5 YAML access, P5 YAML PP does not exist, and P5 YAML seek. So let's do all of three. All of the three that are available. Okay, this guy. Seek. And access. Okay. Next. kdesrc-build Kate. So sysadmin repo metadata, this is the first thing that it gets downloaded or cloned using git clone. The second one is always extra cmake modules. This works. Then the problem is that even the third one, which is kcore add-ons, refuses to build because of the wrong operating system. So it's kcore add-ons is configured to not build on OpenBSD. Okay, let's look at the problem. We'll need an orthodox file manager for the graphical user interface, which is Crusader. First run wizard. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Layout, compact. Buttons, view, size. Smallest size possible. Show hidden files. Nothing to configure at colors. Console. Viewer editor. We need to change this thing to Kate. So editor /usr/local/bin/Kate. Which Kate? USR local bin Kate. /usr/local/bin/Kate. Okay. Fonts, make them smaller. This thing. Okay. Whoa. So no toolbars. No function keys. Yes, embedded terminal. No status bar. And size control. Zoom in, zoom out. Default. Okay. So kdesrc failed to build. Why? References. Text editor. Default text editor. I don't know. Ctrl-Shift-C. Kate/Ctrl-Shift-B. Background go. KDE src log latest. So kdesrc failed with CMake error. Cannot open USR local bin Kate. Okay, so it found the C compiler, clang, C++ compiler, clang++. No executable found, can't check Qt install prefix. Upstream CLI is missing, let's install this. Alt left, Alt backspace deletes the previous word. Okay, what else can we fix there? glibc not found. Okay, we're using the C library from the operating system, which is OpenBSD. So it says your current platform OpenBSD is not supported. The list of supported platforms is Linux, FreeBSD, Windows, macOS, and Android. If you think this is a mistake, you are going to set this KDE frameworks CMake variable, and says where the problem is. Control C, Control N. I need Kate. Where are you? Control Shift V, background. Okay, at line 66, Control G. 66. So it says include KDE metainfo platform check. And then in that file, at line 73, Control G 73, it says your current platform, and then a placeholder, CMake system name, is not supported. The list of supported platforms is metainfo supported platforms. So possibilities are Linux, FreeBSD, OpenBSD, Windows, macOS, Darwin, Android, iOS, all. And the problem is that kcorredons, the module that fails to build, has in its CMake list.txt no, not here. Where then? In here it says something about Android, but not about OpenBSD. Control S, Alt T, Android. This thing. So the available platforms are Linux, FreeBSD, Windows, macOS, Android, not OpenBSD. What if I add OpenBSD here? Control X, doesn't work. Control C, V, V. Okay. Double click on this. Control X, Control V, Control V. Open Control S. We need to delete the build directory. So KDE build frameworks, kcore add-ons, shift delete. Delete. Alternative delete this thing. Should be shift delete. Delete, yes. So delete without putting the files into the garbage bin. Okay. So kdesrc-build kit again. Now it's running cmake, and so cmake the equivalent of the /configure step in GNU tools. So that failed, it didn't even start to compile the source code. Tabs on the top. Okay. So Control T. kdesrc log latest core add-ons. Control C. Cmake error F4. So it says that Qt5 config is missing. Qt5 config.cmake. Whereas this file is in where? USR local lib slash Qt5 slash cmake Qt5 config Qt5. So basically it doesn't find the Qt5 config.cmake, although this thing is in the default place where it should be. Cmake prefix path. So we probably can work around this thing. by editing the Qt directory. Or not. /usr/local, then src-build kit. Nope. Right here. So Qt directory. /usr/local. Ctrl S. Ctrl C. Still nothing. Ctrl C. Shift delete. Ctrl C. I'll be back in a second. I kind of I searched on the internet for the error, so I add the installation prefix of Qt5 to cmake prefix path, and I found something where it says cmake prefix path should be configured in such a way that the complete path for /bin/qmake is valid. Then I searched for qmake. I went which qmake, and it said this executable doesn't exist. So I've installed Qt5, which seems to be package info Qt5. I search for all of the packages that contain Qt5 in the name. There's also packages with Q6, but I'm looking at Qt5. I found just Qt5. I've installed it, and it seems to be a meta package that installed color management, Qt 3D, Qt gamepad, Qt webkit, and other Qt libraries. Let's see if we have qmake now. No. Still no qmake. Qmake Qt5. That's the name. Okay. Let's try again. So this is unable to configure. I don't see the error. It's the same error, so it doesn't find Qt 5. Let me look a bit. Okay, so it seems that Qt is installed with make install on a different path in OpenBSD than on Linux. In Linux, the path where make install installs Qt is /usr. So for instance, qt5config.cmake is in /usr/lib/triplet/cmake/qt5/qt5config.cmake. Whereas in here, the path is /usr /local /lib /qt5, and in here there's /bin /cmake qt. So basically this is the prefix when Qt5 was make installed. So the make install prefix for Qt5 is this directory. There's no bin directory in here. So Qt is a special thing. It likes to not be installed into the normal prefix, so not /usr. So it's a feat that some Linux distributions accomplish, where they actually do manage to install Qt in /lib. Okay, so in here the directory where it's installed is /usr/local/lib/qt5. Okay, let's see if we can config this install directory in here. So /usr/local/lib/qt5. Control S. Qterminal. kdesrc-build. Okay, core add-ons. -debug. -no src. -no include dependencies. And go. So the same error, Qt5 config not found. And the environment variable cmake prefix path, as it's suggested here, is /usr/local/lib/qt5. So the directory with the bin directory, this, with qmake. /usr/local/lib/qt5. So if this does not work, then we can put the qt directory either in the environment variable or maybe in here. Let's put it in the environment variable. Okay. So let's prepare the environment variable. There's a qt5 dir. That's equal. Okay. Let's paste this thing. The same error, qt5 dir. Control T. Oh, and qt5 dir is special because it doesn't ask for the directory where qt5 is installed, but really for the as it says in here, set qt5 dir to the directory containing one of the above files. So these files are qt5config.cmake, which is in here. Okay. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. cmake /qt5. Okay, and now it continues. So it went the /configure says that pthread creating pthread is not found. Okay, not a problem. Could not find procstat. Could not find qt5 dbus. Let's try to install this. Ctrl Shift D. So minus package info minus qdbus. dbus and qt5 at the same time. I don't see it. Okay. Then what else? Qt test. Qt tools. There's no Qt test. No Qt debug, no Qt test. Okay. So it says the following features have been enabled. Optional packages found, FAM, shared metainfo, required packages found, extra CMake modules, Qt5 core threads, Qt5, disable features QCH, not a problem, XDG portal drag and drop, requires Qt debug, I don't have Qt debug. Optional packages that have not been found, I notify, proc.qt5 debug. Okay, configuration done. So it wrote make files into the ~kdesrc-build/framework/kcore add-ons. Okay, and now it runs gmake, but it doesn't specify the correct number of CPU cores. So the compilation is 14 times slower. Because nproc does not exist properly. What's the deal with nproc? OpenBSD and I don't see any nproc. I could use busybox. Do we have busybox? No, let's create an executable that does what we want it. So as my user, so make was successful, everything built, then make install is successful, and let's create nproc. Okidoki. Is there a .bin directory here? Is there a .local directory here? Okay. Let's create a bin directory. Let's create a nproc. Bang. Bin sh echo 14. Control S. Okay. ls. Okay. and we need to make it executable. So chmod plus x and proc / and proc. Okay, and now we need to put it in the environment variable path. So home administrator bin is already in the path. So let's also put this thing. So bash rc and login and profile. Maybe in here. $home /local /bin. $home /local /bin control F2 save. Escape. Control Shift W. Control Shift E. Echo $path. Did not do the trick. Okay, let's source it like this. Source.profile. Okay, and now we need to source the bash rc. Okay, and now nproc is on path. Not. This thing is empty. Oh, in the wrong directory. Cut. Paste. Okay. So we managed to build one module, and let's build some more. So this is the command line, the magic one. Okay, internationalization has failed. Okay, why did this fail? Control T, kdesrc log latest frameworks, K internationalization. Error. The same thing, so wrong frameworks. kdesrc frameworks, internationalization, metainfo, this thing. Control C, V, PSD. Okay. Control C. What's the error now? It couldn't find Qt5 QML. And I need to put in Qt5 QML directory Qt5 QML config cmake. But no. Qt5 QML config.cmake. Okay, so now I've edited the configuration file to have where are you? The cmake prefix not be the directory where so this is not in fact the prefix of installing Qt5. This is the lib directory of installing Qt5. It's a Franken thing. So it's when you install Qt5 in /usr, you get in /bin qmake, so, or the other executables from Qt5. In lib, a subdirectory cmake with the files. But in here, the libraries are in this directory in Qt5, so the SO files. Then the cmake files are in this directory, and then the binaries are in this directory. So it's a Frankenstein of a thing, where lib directory is one directory closer to the root than the rest of the directories from the Qt installation. Okay, so now I guess that we don't need the prefix anymore. Let's try with that. Control C. Let's try like this. You had local changes in kcore add-ons, yes. Okay. And now K internationalization failed. And the error is not the same, that it doesn't find a CMake file. But now it's the error is that it can't find the get text, GNU get text. Okay, let's search for get text. So get text, I don't know, get text tools. Okay, so message format executable. FPHSA. My package handle standard args. Okay. So what was that? Message format. MSG FMT. Okay. Let's hope. So let's say kdesrc-build framework. Where are you? Instance help. So resume from. Okay, internationalization. Okay. And now it has run /configure, the equivalent of /configure correctly. Now it's running the equivalent of make. It really is running make because CMake is generating GNU make files. Okay, so here archive failed. Let's see why. Okay, archive error F4. The platform is not supported. SRC frameworks, archive. Metainfo. Control C, Control V. BSD, Control S, Control C. Let's go debug. And from archive. Control C. I have no clue what just happened. So it ran CMake. Now it's trying to compile it. Okay, next kconfig, Control C. Let's see what's the problem with kconfig. Data info straight there. Yeah, of course. Control S. OpenBSD, Control S. Not from kArchive, from... why is it compiling it again? So from kconfig. Okay, so now we seem to be in a happy place where if we just edit the metainfo.yaml files and where FreeBSD is allowed, we also allow OpenBSD. It generally configures, makes installs correctly. If not, then some binary package needs to be installed, such as it was the case with message format from gettext. So that is it. I didn't know that kdesrc-build can be made to work on OpenBSD. I didn't know that so many KDE frameworks are limited to not even try to compile on OpenBSD. So maybe this is a thing that we should do. We should enable support for OpenBSD wherever FreeBSD is available, is allowed in the KDE Git repositories. Thank you.